So this is my main project. For example, I want to copy and paste this image into this project. Here's how to do it. First of all, unlock your image layer and then click on select, click on all to select your entire image. Then go to edit, click on copy, or just you can press Ctrl C to copy your image. Now go back to your target project where you want to paste the image, then press Ctrl V and your image will paste. Now you can resize the image just like this. You can also change the image position. So this was the first way to copy paste image. And now let's see how to copy and paste only selected area. So you can select the selection tool or you can select any selection tool from your Photoshop. Then select the area you want to copy paste. Once you select it, press Ctrl C to copy the selected part. Go back to your target project where you want to paste and then just press Ctrl V. And the only selected part will paste just like this. And now I will show you how to copy paste something in selection. So here I have selected this image part, pressing Ctrl C to copy, then going back to my main project. Here I'm selecting this lasso tool and selecting only this part on my photo and going to edit, hover over it on paste spatial, and here just clicking on paste into, and my selected image will paste into the selection just like this.